In this video, we are going to learn about representing real numbers on the number line. How do you represent real numbers on the number line? Real numbers, again, combination of both rational and irrational. So we are going to learn how do we represent those on the number line. Before starting, I would like to inform that this topic has been deducted for the academic session 2022 to 2023. So the students of this year need not do this topic. It won't be assessed in your schools as well. So let's moving forward. If I have to represent, for example, if I have to represent 0.23 with a bar that is up to 4 decimal places. If I have to write this number 0.23, I have to represent this number on the number line. Now I have to represent this till 4 decimal places. Since it is a recurring number, तो terminate नहीं हो रहा है and it will go endlessly, which is why we are going to show it till 4 decimal places. So for 4 decimal places, the number would be 0.2323. This is the number that we have to show, right? Let's start. How are we going to do it? Let's make a number line first. 0, 1, 2, 3. I am drawing right now without a scale, but this is not supposed to be drawn without a scale. So keep a scale and a pencil with you while doing this. I have written the points 0 to 9 on the number line. Now what are we going to do next? Since 0.2323 it is, so it lies between 0 and 1. Since it is 0.23, it only will be lying here. इधर ही lie करेगा, right? Which is why we are going to mark this area like this, and then we are putting an arrow underneath, because we are now zooming in this area. Zoom in कर रहे हैं हम इस area को. That is why we are specifying that this is the area we are going to zoom into and draw in the next number line. In the next number line, what do? We start from 0, end at 1, and in between we start with 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 till 0.9, like such. So this would be the zoomed in image, right? Then we have 0.23. 0.23 greater than 0.2, right? And less than 0.3. So this is going to lie here. Again, what we will do is mark the area which we are going to zoom in the next number line. Moving on, we are going to draw a number line with starting from 0.2 and ending at 0.3. So the numbers on the number line would be 0.21, 0.22, 0.23, like such. We are going to draw a number line like this. Now we had 0.2323. Let's write it here also. 0.2323. Now where will it lie? It is 0.23 can be seen here. Now since it is greater than 23 and less than 24, it is going to lie here, right? So again we are going to zoom into this area. We'll continue the procedure till the time we do not find 0.2323 as a number. Starting from 0.23 ending at 0.24. The numbers in between would be 0.231, 0.232, 0.233, like this. Then we have to find 232 again. So 232 is here, and it is less than 233. That means we are next going to zoom into this place, mark this area, move, zoom this in, starting from 0.232, ending at 0.233. So the number would be 0.2321, 0.2322, 0.2323, 0.2324, 0.2325, 0.2326, 0.2327, like this. What was the number that we were supposed to find? 2323. Can you see that number in this number line? We can see it, right? So we are going to underline that number and mark this area, so encircling the number. So we have found the number that was required. We label it as A and write that A represents 0.2323. That's all. I'd like to repeat, this topic has been deleted from the syllabus of academic session 22-23. This exercise is also deleted. Need not do this exercise. Okay. The next question we have is 3.765. So we are going to mark from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can mark till whatever number we wish. Make sure, because I'm not using a scale right now, but you need to keep equal distances. Alright, so we have a number here which is 3.765. This number is greater than 3 but less than 4, right? So it is going to lie between 3 and 4. We are going to mark this area and put an arrow like this, move to the next number line, which is going to start from 3, end at 4. The numbers would start from 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, like such. We have to mark 3.7. Now 3.76 is greater than 3.7 and less than 3.8, so it is going to lie here. Mark this area, put an arrow, go for the next number line, which will start from 3.7 and end at 3.8. So the numbers would be 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, like this. Then we will find the next digits. 3.765, 3.76. It is going to lie between 7.6 and 7.7, right? So we are going to mark this area, put an arrow underneath, and move to the next number line. It is very easy to be done. The number line would again start from 3.76 and at 3.77. We'll mark the points in between: 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, and so on, like such. The number which we have to find was 3.765. We can see that number here. We can see that number, right? 3.76. Encircle the number, mark this point as A. We are going to write A represents 3.765. Only this has to be done. It is very easy. I hope you all are understanding. For continuous updates, do not forget to subscribe. For the second question, we have 4.26 on the number line up to 4 decimal places. 4.26 bar up to 4 decimal places. So what is it going to become? We have the second question as 4.26 bar up to 4 decimal places. Up to 4 decimal places. What is it going to become? Up till 4 decimal places. We have done the same example. 4.2626. We have to find this number on the number line. Starting with the first number line, we start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is your choice up till where you want to draw it. The first one. Choices with the first one. Alright, next we have to find 4.26. It is greater than 4 and less than 5, so it is going to lie between this place. We are going to mark this area, put an arrow, move to the next number line, which is going to start from 4 and at 5. The numbers in between would be 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, like such. Then we have to find 4.2. 4.26 would be greater than 4.2 and less than 4.3, so it is going to lie between this area, and we are going to zoom this in, move to the next number line, start the numbers from 4.2 and end it at 4.3. The numbers in between would start from 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, and so on, like this. Then we need 4.26. 4.2626 is the number that we need, right? 4.2626 would start from, is greater than 4.26 and less than 4.27, so it is going to lie here. Again we are going to draw the number line, zooming in this area. The number line would be such. What do we need? 4.262. 4.262 lies here. So the number is going to lie between this area. Again mark this place, zoom this in. We are going to draw another number line. It is going to look like this. Then we have the needed point in this number line, which is 4.2626, which is this point. Encircle this, mark this point with any capital alphabet. I am marking here it as B. So B represents 4.2626. I hope it is clear to everyone. If you like the video, do not forget to press the like button, and for regular updates, do not forget to subscribe.